Hey everyone, if you want to create custom prompts in FlowGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create, customize, and publish your own AI prompts. First, custom prompts help you get more accurate and personalized responses from AI. They can save time and improve your workflow. Start by opening FlowGPT in your browser and signing into your account. Now locate the Create option and open the prompt editor. Give your prompt a clear title so other users can understand what it does. Type detailed instructions describing how you want the AI to respond. Yeah, more specific prompts usually produce better results. You can include examples and placeholders to make the prompt more flexible. Select a category like writing, coding, education, or business to help others find your prompt. Before publishing, test your prompt to make sure it generates the results you expect. When everything looks good, click Publish to share it with the FlowGPT community. You can always return and update your prompts as needed. For the best results, write detailed instructions and include examples whenever possible. A common mistake is creating prompts that are too short or too vague, which often leads to inconsistent responses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create custom prompts in FlowGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.